Greetings, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Doing something a little different. My buddy text messaged me one day and he says, "Hey, I found a place that has better chicken tenders than his O's." And it was at a gas station of all places. It's called Krispy Krunchy Chicken. That will show. So I got a small fry. These are like the wedges, seasoned wedges. They're not very hot either. That surprised me. All right. Let's try these. So I got 6 chicken tenders. And it comes with a biscuit. It's a interesting biscuit. But let's check these tenders out. I'll say this. How thick that is. Damn. Well, I'll say this. It's a really damn good chicken tender. It's not all dried out. The chicken is still moist. The outside is nice and crunchy still. There's a close-up of the chicken. So they got 6 pieces in, man. These pieces are huge. And here's the seasoned home fries. Which are not hot at all, which is a little surprising. A little disappointing, too. But I suppose if you're bombing down the road, yeah, you want hot fries burning your mouth. Well, they're pretty flavorful, though. Alright, let's go ahead and try the biscuit, which I haven't dug into yet. A little iffy on the biscuit. Excuse me. Has sort of a sweetness to it. I think it's a honey butter biscuit. It does taste good. It's real good. Alright. I'm just having a sparkling ice caffeine drink, or I was. Now it's empty. I wanted to point out, though, look at the thickness of these chicken strips. So here's the can's thickness, right? And this is a chicken strip thickness. Those are, and they're all like that, too. All 6 were like that. So if I had known that they were that thick, I probably would have just ordered 2, because just 2 of these is probably a good meal. I mean, I was looking for a small one to eat, and it's like, but they're all just real thick. And the thing that I appreciate the fact that they have is that they have, I guess this one's the smallest, this is the one I'll probably eat. But the batter isn't heavy on these either. Usually when you go to a place to get piece of chicken, let me get a bite of this. You see the batter, how it's not like a 1/4 inch thick. Real light, lots of chicken. Alrighty, so when I get, it's a little difficult in a car to shoot it, but I'm going to go over the menu and the pricing, probably after this, or when I get home, whatever. I don't know if I can hold that up and you guys can see it, so I'll make sure to do that. So, how much were those? I have my receipt too. I'll have to take the receipt out. Yeah, I'll go over that right after, probably when I get home. I'll sit down with the camera and I'll film the little menu here that I got. So that'll be up next. Alrighty, so truth be told, I actually shot this video weeks ago. So Krispy Krunchy chicken website. They have breakfast. Now I didn't see breakfast at the gas station I was at. I only saw chicken, but they had blueberry flavored biscuits, which I actually did eat one, and it was awesome. I didn't see empanadas. I didn't look that hard, to be totally honest with you, because I was going for the tenders. They have, let's see, didn't say how many tenders it comes with. The crispy chicken sandwich, the wings, which I didn't have, the family meal, which I didn't have. They had fried fish, which I didn't see, shrimp, which I didn't see. They had corn dogs, Crispitos, which you can buy anywhere, really. I mean, these are just standard gas station food. Their website's really laid out weird. The honey biscuits, which were really good. Mac and cheese, jambalaya, beans and rice, mashed potatoes, french fries. But they don't show the wedges, they just show french fries. I don't know why they have these little pop-up things. It's not how I would have done it, but whatever. Oh, they had chicken cracklings? Chicken skins? Okay, I didn't see that either. Let me go get that little menu I got. Okay, so I got their little menu here. I grabbed this at the register. I don't know if that's going to show, but it looked too dark on the screen. The tenders, how much were they? Where are they? Oh, the tenders, I got a 6-piece. No, that's not it. Where is it? Where would they put the tenders at? Well, they have a 8-piece Cajun tender that's $12.99. But I don't see the, oh wait, Cajun tenders. So a 6-piece it comes with a biscuit was $8.99, and then the fries are on the sides, and the fries are listed as a small was $2.99, which is what I think I got. And then they had a large, and then the family size. And they are honey biscuits, which they were really good. They're 99 cents each. You get 2 for $1.89 or 6 for $4.99. So, surprisingly good chicken for a gas station. Alright, well that was Krispy Krunchy chicken at a gas station of all things. Which goes to show, you know, one of the reasons I made it as a point to go there, because you might have some unlikely food places at the most unlikely places. I would never thought to go there for chicken, but I did, and the chicken was pretty damn good, so color me surprised. I don't know if they're a chain or not. I doubt it, but I'm gonna check out the website when I get home. So I'm on my way to work right now. So yeah, just really good. As always, I do appreciate you watching. Thank you. There will be a link to the playlist in the description. Excuse me. And we'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.